Hi, and welcome back to our channel, The Stinkers. Today we're going to show you how to make 3 of our favorite protein shakes.
We usually use these shakes either as a meal replacement after a workout or just as a different meal during the day. We had them for dinner one night just because we felt like a smoothie. So
yeah, and one of them is going to basically taste like a milkshake, so it's even a great replacement for dessert.
Yeah, all healthy too.
Yeah, I think a lot of people, especially girls, are turned off from protein shakes thinking like, oh, it's just protein powder and water, which doesn't sound that great and not what we do. And also that it's like just a very manly thing, and
right.
You only do it if you're like building major muscle. But no, protein is good for all people, girls and guys, because it's good post-workout because you rip your muscles apart and you're repairing them. You need protein to repair your muscles. So part of living healthy is eating healthy. So today we're going to show you just how to do that. Before we get started, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up to like it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Just hit the little subscribe button and the bell to get all notifications of every time we post a new video. Have you made a protein shake before? Put your answer in the comments below. Let's get started. You can use any kind of blender you like. We have the Magic Bullet. I absolutely love this thing because it comes with little cups that are literally perfectly individual size, and you just drink right out of the cup. So it's super convenient. And we live in downtown Chicago, have a smaller space, and so it's great because it doesn't take up a lot of space. But you can also use any kind of Ninja Bullet or blender that you have, works perfectly fine too.
Yeah, I actually have one that's a Blend Jet that's USB powered that you can charge off your computer, and that's travel size. So it's like about 8 ounces, and you can actually bring that with you and use that at work. I use it at work after the gym.
Yeah, that one's perfect. I literally gave it to him for a Christmas gift one year, and he keeps it at work, and it's super convenient. I need to get one for myself so I can have it. Okay, so this first, all recipes will be in the description below, so make sure to click the description for all the ingredient lists. But the first recipe is going to be our spinach, peanut butter, banana protein shake smoothie, and it's our #1 favorite. So all of these recipes are going to use banana, and specifically a frozen banana. If you don't have a banana frozen already, I just freeze it overnight, it's perfect, and leave a bunch in our freezer already pre-done. But if you don't have one, you want to make it right now with us. If you're a regular banana, it's fine, just add ice. So we don't add ice because this little guy isn't the best at crushing ice. So if you just freeze the banana, you get the ice you need without having to add additional ice.
Yeah, the frozen banana adds like the creaminess, like the milkshake type of quality. If you use a non-frozen banana and add ice, your smoothie may tend to be a little bit more watery than you would like.
So see, I've got some frozen bananas here, and we got a bunch. We stockpile them in the freezer. And the tip is when you freeze them, you can put a bunch in one bag, but make sure they are perfectly flat so they freeze as individuals and don't all freeze together. So we're gonna start with 1 banana. And again, since this guy is not the strongest little jet, I like to break it. It kind of helps.
You're flinging banana everywhere.
Woo! Oh, I flung some more. Well, that one's gone. Okay, and then we want to add our almond milk. You can use any kind of milk substitute. You can use milk as well. I tried not to have dairy products as much as I can for health reasons, and I'm pescatarian, so I try to stay away from meat products. So this is just almond milk. And I don't measure any of this, so I'm gonna show you where I fill it to on the line of like how much.
It's usually about a cup to start, and then once you get blending, you can kind of tell if it's all blending in nicely. You may have to add more along the way.
Yeah.
We usually start with about a cup.
I'd say that's about a cup, about 8 ounces worth. And then we wanna add our protein powder in. And we are using pea protein. I'll show you this. So why I like this one is, if you look at the ingredient list, there is 1 ingredient, pea protein. That's it. So it just says yellow pea protein isolate. A lot of protein powder has a bunch of random things, and you end up with a lot of chemicals actually. So I like to keep it as natural as possible. So this is just 1 ingredient protein powder, and it's not whey protein, which is fine. We use whey for years, but since I try to go pescatarian, meat-free, I try to stay away from whey because that's obviously dairy product.
Dairy product, and this protein also prevents which you might not want to talk about, but you get a lot of gas when you use whey protein. At least I do from a personal basis. And I love these protein shakes because all that gassiness goes away, which Jewel's very happy about.
And that is a great side effect. And you want to use 1 scoop of protein or 1 protein serving. So this protein powder, 1 scoop is 1 serving, but other protein powders that we've bought in the past, 2 scoops is 1 serving. So you just want 1 serving of protein powder. So you want to put the milk in first, otherwise it just sticks to the bottom. And then we want to add peanut butter. You want just 1 teaspoon of peanut butter. Same thing with this peanut butter. It is just peanuts and salt. So again, I like all natural peanut butters that just have 1 or 2 ingredients. And a little trick I like to use is I just literally push the peanut butter off with my spinach.
Since spinach is the next ingredient, so.
Yes, and then our final ingredient is spinach. And I basically just fill it to the top with spinach, which is a couple of good sized handfuls.
The beauty of protein shakes is you can always tailor-made them to your palate, right? If you want more peanut butter, add more peanut butter. If you want more spinach, add more spinach.
And the great thing about this is I'm always adding vegetables to our diet. I'm always shoving a ton of spinach in here. If Jay made it, he probably put less. I'm always just adding lots and lots of vegetables, but you don't taste the spinach. It turns green, but so you know there's spinach in there, right? You can't like hide it from someone, but you don't taste it, which is awesome.
Yeah, when we first started dating, I offered to make her a protein shake when I got back. We got back from the gym, and my protein shake included a scoop of whey protein for muscle building, chocolate milk, and a couple scoops of chocolate ice cream. And I thought I was being healthy.
So basically, I was like, you are literally drinking a chocolate milkshake with protein powder.
It was amazing.
And he did it like 3 times a day, but he was hitting the gym twice a day. He's a huge gym rat. He was like really like jacked. He was really muscular.
Couldn't burn enough calories then, so it didn't really matter.
So it's like no big deal. I'm like, okay, well in my small frame, I can't be eating 3 scoops of ice cream a day. All right, so now we just want to blend it up. I try to get the liquid down to the bottom. When it starts to get a little thicker, you might need to add some more almond milk just to make sure it blends totally. I really can't open it. Apparently I need to do some more workouts. Oh my gosh, it got so tight for some reason. Can you open this? Give it to my muscle. Thank you.
Piece of cake.
We literally just drink it right out of here. I'm just gonna pour it so you guys can see what it looks like.
Yeah, this one turned out really green because of all the spinach we added in. But refreshing the ingredients: spinach, protein powder, almond milk, and a banana.
Peanut butter.
And a scoop of peanut butter. And that's it.
And again, those ingredients will be in the description. Official taste tester. Clean this one up.
Perfect. This one's even thick enough where you could use a spoon if you wanted. More almond milk. You can use a straw. Less almond milk. You can use a spoon. You can kind of like a Wendy's Frosty.
And he's gonna keep finishing that one while we go on to our next smoothie.
We don't need another one. This is my favorite.
And that one is great because I snuck in vegetables in that one. The second smoothie, we're sneaking in a ton of fruit. Or it's not sneaking in, but it's gonna be fruit based. So we're still starting with 1 banana, 1 frozen banana. Let me get my next cup here. But this time we're just gonna add other types of fruit. So I've got a bag here of just random mixed fruits. I've got cantaloupe in here, grapes, honeydew, pineapple. Literally anytime we have extra fruit that's about to go bad, or if you go to those parties, like you go to a big barbecue or something, they make a fruit platter and everyone's like, oh, this is gonna go bad, I'm not gonna eat all this fruit, do you want some? I will take it every time, and then we just freeze it. You can buy frozen fruit, but honestly, it's way cheaper to just buy.
It's expensive.
Yeah, just buy regular fruit, just buy in the produce section, just buy fruit, and then stick it in your freezer. I don't know why there's like this upcharge for frozen fruit. Freeze it yourself, it takes 5 seconds. Just make sure you use a freezer bag so you don't get freezer burn. So let's add.
Yeah, and there's that cantaloupe.
Got cantaloupe. That's cantaloupe. Got pineapple. I'm gonna do some grapes today. I mean, literally any kind of frozen fruit you have works great. Some honeydew. Okay. And this time I'm gonna use water. You can use almond milk as well. Make it a little bit thicker. This one with the fruit, I just like the taste of water better. Same thing, about 8 ounces, 1 cup worth of water. Okay, and let's add our protein powder. All of these are protein shakes, so they all have protein powder. You can always make it without the protein powder. So if you just want a smoothie, basically it's a smoothie with protein in it. So just don't put the protein powder. And that's it. This one is just fruit, water, and protein powder. Let's mix this guy up.
With all this frozen fruit in here, you have to be careful that you don't get a chunky protein smoothie when you're done. So you have to make sure you blend it evenly.
Okay, that sounds done to me. This one we're getting, ooh, this one's very thick because the more frozen you have, the thicker it's gonna be. So you might need
a spoon to taste test this guy.
Yeah, might need a spoon for this one.
Oh!
Whoa! And it all came out in a big clump. Opa! That's why we just drink it right out of here.
Oh, really good. This one you can obviously taste more of the fruit than with this green guy here. The green guy here you taste more of the peanut butter.
And this one you can see it's like, you know, a tan beige color. We use berries a lot. We just happen to have a lot of melons this time available, but if you use berries, like blueberries is gonna be, you know, more purpley blue color, red.
Color will change based on what you throw in it. And it also kind of adapted the color of the pea protein too. I like that one too.
So good. So good. Okay, our final one is more of a dessert tasting protein shake. So this one.
We're gonna have chocolate ice cream?
No chocolate ice cream. All right, this one, we need our banana. So all three use a frozen banana. It's what makes shakes thick.
Can we add some of this instead?
No, no ice cream.
Well, you said dessert tasting.
No ice cream. Shake's secret stash. We're going to again go back to our almond milk. Same thing, about 8 ounces or a cup worth. Okay, we gotta add our protein powder. So 1 scoop. Perfect. And then this time we are adding in, or not this time, but same, we're adding in peanut butter. So right now we're doing the same thing as our original spinach one. We're gonna change up one major ingredient. It looks like we are out of peanut butter. So luckily, we have another peanut butter. This is another one I like. This one is Trader Joe's peanut butter. And this one actually has flax seeds added to it and chia seeds. So same thing though, it's just peanuts, salt, like the other ones. The other one, this one addition also has flaxseed and chia seeds. This is one of those oil separator ones though, so you gotta make sure that it's nice and stirred. Okay. About a tablespoon of peanut butter. I don't have spinach to wipe it off with this one. And the secret ingredient to make it dessert-like is cocoa powder. This is special dark cocoa powder. The great thing about cocoa powder is it makes things taste like chocolate, right? It's cocoa. But all that's in here is 10 calories for 1 tablespoon. So what we're gonna put in. So it's only adding 10 calories to our shake, but it's gonna make it taste like dessert because we need chocolate peanut butter. Squeeze this out and let's make the magic happen. Alright,
That one looks more like
done.
brownie batter than it does a protein shake.
There we go, I opened it this time. Okay. Ooh, almost had a casualty.
Almost spilled again?
I saved it. Get the rest out of here. Oh, this looks so good.
It looks like cake batter.
I have a major sweet tooth, so anything that's like a healthy dessert, I am in for. Amazing.
Oh, that's really good.
Really tastes like a chocolate peanut butter milkshake. So, I mean, that's it. We've got our 3 favorite shakes here. Super easy. Every single one has a frozen banana in it. 3 totally different flavors. You can mix up every day. During this quarantine, have been doing like noon workouts during lunch hour and then having a protein smoothie for lunch. And it's been awesome. So we hope you enjoy it as much as we do. Let us know in the comments below what kind of favorite protein smoothie you have. So do you make one at home that you love? And if you try this out, let us know what you think. But don't forget to like this video by giving it the big thumbs up, share it with a friend, and ensure you subscribed. We'll see you again next week for more healthy recipes and workout videos.
That's good.
We're gonna go
I'm
drink
gonna
these.
go polish these off.
Bye guys.